Greetings everybody, Dumelang Lekai, Molweni, Sanbonani, Ndimadekwana. This is our new channel called Mzansi Football. Yeah, we're here back again analyzing football. As you know, Hamba no Nyosotoski, Nyosolowski. This is our present of the day. Yeah, Hamba no Prayamla. Introduce yourself, my brother.
Hello everyone, ne? Our fans, our followers, ne? My name is Soso, ne?
Sure.
Yeah, we are going to analyze the game, ne? Which is the Soweto Derby. Yeah.
Machita ngakhohlwa ukunikhruta ngapho. Yeah, Prasos man. Fikile nazi 3 May. Soweto Derby. The biggest game of the calendar in South African football. We won kanjani?
Yeah, it's the biggest game, ne? You know, but this is the game whereby each and every player, ne, want to show up game yakhe and would like to lift up hand yakhe. And would like each and every player ne idlala ntoni i-page ye-team. So yeah, it's the biggest game. Yeah,
Prasos sibuya manje izolo sibheke igame ye-Pirates ne. Pirates lost against Kukune, and then Pirates had a good run vele ku CAF Champions League baba knockout ngama semi-final. Izolo uthole red card, and then which is Osbisi uthole red card, which is a player be petty on form ku Orlando Pirates starting 11 yabo. And obvious lento le bayiqala ngoqoki and ngoqoki since abuya unama silly mistakes lapho kanjani. So ngobhekile i-Chiefs ingasebenzisa kanjani leso space ukuthi khona ukubamba ama plan for le game le Saturday.
Firstly, I would like to say congrats to Orlando Pirates Football
sure.
Club ne, for reaching semi-finals of CAF ne.
Sure.
Yeah. Then to go to that SBC red card ne, I think it is a disadvantage for Pirates and advantage for Kaizer Chiefs. If I was Nabi, I was going to use that opportunity ne, wisely.
Sure.
Yeah, because SBC it's a critical player for Orlando Pirates. Since like they lose Lozan Sesane, they've been starting games zabo, but now go out, so it's forcing back to start uban uTogi, which is Togi ayekho mnandi, honestly.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you are aware, ne, Kaizer Chiefs in last 5 or 6 games league like I know win, you understand? They only won good game le in Nedbank Cup go Sundowns. So like when I'm up big like Leon I go pay any doubt to go to maybe Kaizer Chiefs maybe like ingayenza lawa ma mistake cause like vele as nama players azoba under pressure vele cause yazi so to that vele most we know like I count on form ugu past the results nan it only depends on the motivation of the player during vele le lolo langa yabo like the person who wants it most. So when we bona kanjani ukuthi like iform le ekhona manje ngeke disturb something.
Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs is not doing well, ne?
Sure.
Honestly.
Sure.
But the Soweto Derby is a Soweto Derby.
Yeah.
And foot again, Kaizer Chiefs in a lot of injuries, ne? Foot like Kuma send up Ekwabo. We know that Udogli is out, which is like one of the best. We know that I don't know. I'm not sure about Miguel, but he's back or what.
Yeah.
Nabum Simango, we're not sure about them. So, I don't know, but the Soweto is a Soweto Derby, ne? We'll see. That day, what is going to happen.
Okay, Bram. Okay, Jose Riveiro, Nabi. I see to an man you put yourself in ngondweni zabo. What do you do to wrap up the game, to win the game, to only 3 points?
Okay, let me firstly go to the side, which is Orlando Pirates. Ne? I think also like Orlando Pirates, the players need to switch on. Ne? Bazamu forget about the CAF and everything because we see that balaga basene trauma nyana or something. Ne? Okay, to go first I can start China, then Van Rooyen, then I will start Van
Rooyen without injury, but I'm not sure you're Mark.
So meaning like it's going to force to play Shandu.
Yeah, Shandu not Lozi, one of them, and Lozi remember go CAF Champions League like in see win eKairos dala ne Al Ahly performed well unto anodlala vela ama minutes amancane mar performed well,
but it's a Soweto Derby so you can start like intwana encane like which is like engekho starting lineup start uShandu then umoma wenzani then you some substitute so like uShandu it's Hoto then it's going to be Umbokazi obviously then uXoki because it's forcing them
it's forcing them
then bese ndlala ngubani uMakhawula uMbatha then because ulentozana uTito we need uTito for iPirates for big games which is ifana nentoni neSoweto derby ne kufaka uTito umfukengi uNkotha then for i-forward zabo at least play Makgopa. Yeah, start Makgopa.
Okay, yes, Brami. Like I have a little bit to complain on Makgopa. Nyazi like in CAF most like usebenzele for iPirates yabo. Mara inkinga yakhe yi-one like i-strike natural but i-strike kumele sisijudge ngama goals ngisho. So i-strike singakuri questionable but angeke ngisho lutho is what you saying and that's what you feel for the game. Let's go to Nabi side. Uyibona kanjani to win the game?
Yeah, for Kaizer Chiefs for Nabi and also ne for Nabi that game ne it's neat bana like I switch on as a coach ne. If it was Nabi I was going to take uDuba ne first everything like he dimse kwiwinga then ndiputhe bala uDipruz ne so that afake pressure where kobani koqoki because like akekho mistake so like iDipruz phaya ingamwekhela lonke ne so like I will start verse uvuma nama mistake ayikho mna but start him
because not sure it's very
beloko edlala so start uvuma then I'm not sure about
nakhona before kuqhubeka uvuma nakhona if manje mawungamkhipha like siya kuSoweto derby so ubulala nemotivation yakhe vele ese plan yombulala yabo so angaqhubeka.
That's what I'm saying. Start uvuma then I'm not sure about Frosler about injury updates ne I didn't check for Kaizer Chiefs injury update but if ever like Frost look on play Frosler then either side play uDove then uMiguel I saw Miguel the last game ne ebekhona like kwi subs then it's Miguel Msimango also like Msimango like you be suspension I'm not sure then abuye then it's gonna be Icele then Marty because we don't have a choice.
I know choice vele umuntu vele bamthandayo.
We don't have a choice. We know that like they are going to play that guy. It's a mad but no mistake and feel like I was on it's fine but play him and also in front of them play him too.
Then Serino
for big games like
emotions vele
for big games like I don't need him for big games
shoot am rest vele kule game
ngase benchini five benchini then bese ufaka uDuba in kwelinye side elinye bengililepo benguDipruz.
Okay Bram ngiyabona like ama rating ama analysis wakho vele ukuthi ama coach vele cabanga ukuthi enze kanjani and then Bram wena uyibona ngakhona predict ukuthi ingaphela kanjani yazi abantu bakhona ekhaya babheka ama game bayabhecha nani then what's your score uyibona kanjani?
Okay,
which ones win which one lose draw angazi uyibona kanjani?
You know those two teams they are going to play now and the following weekend again. So for this one for league I don't know if Pirates but is still fighting for a league or what. Kaizer Chiefs like is fighting for top 8 it's bad ne. I see like Kaizer Chiefs and also like uNabi akaza win iSoweto derby ne. Maybe like uzokhangela i-first win yakhe for iSoweto derby. I see that game iphela 1-0 for Kaizer Chiefs.
1 Chiefs.
One
Kaizer Chiefs. Okay. Our listeners, our viewers, please subscribe, like the channel and more and then our analyst saying straight win Kaizer Chiefs and then let's hope for the best and then let's enjoy the Soweto derby. Danko.